Hello, welcome back to Tealfeed. Now in today's video, we'll understand that how do you create a few services on your profile which you can share with any client or any customer when they're interested in booking that service, and they will be then presented with your calendar on which they can see your availability and directly book your service as per their and your mutual availability. So creating such a service is very simple, but before that, it's very important that you have correctly set up your availability. And in case you want the service to be paid, uh, you've also set up your payment details on Tailfeed. If you have any confusions regarding both of these, you can visit the videos about the same in the same playlist as well. And now let's move forward and see how we can create such services on a profile which can be booked by anyone just by sharing a link. So for that, first we'll head to the create new button in the top right corner. And here you will see multiple options. So we'll go ahead with the first option, which is one-on-one connect sessions. These are the services which once created on your profile stay on your profile, and anyone who visits your profile or gets the link of the service can book it by directly booking a slot on your calendar. Then you'll add the name of the session, the description of the session. There are three ways this service can be priced. One, it can be free if you want to host a free session. Second, if you want to host a paid session and you want to accept the payment upfront via Tailfeed itself, then you can choose the second option, which is the paid option. And third option is the paid no booking fee option. This option ensures you the flexibility to accept the payment in whatever form you desire, in whatever flow you desire. All you have to do is just enter the amount here, and along with that, you have to list down the payment condition or whatever the payment flow is. Suppose you want the payment to be made when the client visits the clinic, then you have to just select this. And even if you have some condition which does not appear here, you can just use the custom option and add your custom condition. But please ensure that the only catch here is that in this case, Tealfeed does not ensure the fulfillment of payment because Tealfeed is not a moderator here. You have to get in touch directly with the client or communicate it to your client through your policies that this condition needs to be fulfilled for the session to be considered valid. And then if you have clients in different countries and you want to charge them as per their country's currency and value, you can simply choose the country here, and here you can write the INR equivalent of that currency. Apart from that, you can completely customize the session duration. It could be either from these options or it could be an option which is not available. All you have to do is just click on add and select it from here. And then in location, you get multiple options. One is the default Tealfeed conferencing tool. Second is Google Meet, but for that, please ensure that you have connected your Google Meet account via this integrations options on the left panel. Then third is the external link. Here you can add your Zoom link, Microsoft Team links, or any other third-party apps if you have any. And then there's an in-person option. So if you are scheduling, if you're setting up the service for your clinic, all you have to do is just add the address, add the Google Map link, and these will be sent to the client in both the via the notification and reminder emails. Um, and then you can select categories. Categories is also something which you and via emails. Now, if you have any cancellation policy which you want to communicate to the client, you will turn this toggle off on, enter all your cancellation policies here. And apart from that, if you also have some consent forms or other policies which you want the client to accept, you can just add their link. Once everything has been done, you have to just click on save changes, and you see here your session has been successfully created. Or you have to simply share the link of the session by just copying this link and sending it to the client who's interested in booking the service. Also, if you're someone who would not like the client to go and schedule the session and have all the client details and have the pre-decided date and time, and would directly want to invite the client to a scheduled session, then you can do that as well. But for that, you'll have to check out our next video on how to instantly create and schedule one-off sessions. We hope this helps. Thank you.